Page number 7. The Quran as it explains itself.
Form of life for the human self. Thus, they have conviction in the hereafter. This can be likened to the birth of a baby who leaves the mother's womb and moves on to a new and higher level of existence. Anyone failing to understand the eternity of the Nafs self, commonly termed as soul, bars himself from seeing life in its totality and, therefore, toils through this life without a higher objective. 2:185, 6:73, 7:52-53, 7:157-158, 10:4, 21:10, 21:24, 40:11, 45:4-5, 67:2. Confirming the truth in what they have points to human touch in the Bible even before Prophet Muhammad's times. See verses 2:75, 2:78-79, 2:101, 3:70-71, 3:78, 3:186-187, 5:13, 5:41, 6:91, 9:31. Al-Baqarah, 2:5. They are the ones who walk on a path lighted by their Lord, and they are the ones whose crops of effort will flourish and they will truly prosper. Muflihun from Falah equals farmer who plows the earth for seeding and gets an abundant crop in return. Huda min Rab equals the Lord's light. Equals this Quran to which one must turn with an open mind. Those who approach it without clearing their minds of preconceived notions will fail to touch this book. For that frame of mind defies reason and logic. 4:88, 5:15, 23:1-11, 24:35, 31:2-5, 42:5, 56:79. Al-Baqarah, 2:6. Remember that those who have chosen denial in advance, it is all the same to them whether you apprise them of the consequences of their actions or apprise them not. They will refuse to acknowledge the truth. 2:89-109, 6:26, 27:14, 35:42-43, 36:70, 41:20.